Hello, in this video I will demonstrate to you how you can use OBS, Open Broadcaster software, in order to re-inject your conferencing audio into the media station so that you can record it, you can participate in this conference call all from the same computer without using the loop-through function of the media station. So in order to do this, first of all, go to the obsproject.com in order to download OBS Studio. It is a free and open source software which is available for Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. So you can use it on pretty much all of these operating systems. After you download it, first go to your system settings, so System, Sound, and change your system speaker to C-Box. C-Box is the way that the media stations are recognized on computers, so you must select it in order to collect the audio from your computer and send it into the media station to be recorded. After you do this and you install the OBS, well, run it. Now, when you run it for the first time, you will see something like this. What you want to do is, at the bottom left, where there are scenes, you want to create a new scene, or you can use the existing one, provided it's you've never used before, it will be empty. Then in sources, right next to it, you want to add your devices, the audio devices that you are going to use inside the conference call. So if you plan to use a headset, then go to audio input and audio output and select it in both places. Input as a microphone, output as the speakers. If you plan to use separate devices, let's say a USB microphone, maybe loudspeakers on the speaker, well then add them the same way. Basically, these must be the same as the ones that you will use inside the conferencing. So audio input capture, let's create one, let's give it a name, input. I am going to use a Jabra headset, and then I am also going to add it as an output. So again, Jabra headset. So now that we have created these devices, next step is in Audio Mixer, we need to mute everything except these two devices. So the same ones that you are going to use in video conferencing, you leave them unmuted, everything else you mute. As you can see, I've done that already. Then Audio Mixer, right-click on it, or right-click anywhere in the field. What you need is Advanced Audio Properties. Input and output, change them to monitor only. Everything else should be monitor off, like this. So with these settings enabled this way, your microphone will be captioned again and sent as part of your combined C-Box output. So everything that your computer is sending as C-Box will now also include your microphone. That will also include the conferencing microphone provided, and the conferencing received audio, that is your headset, provided you select it. So for this, I have a Teams going on here. So settings, device settings, speaker, you need, and microphone, you need to select exact same devices that you have used in OBS. So headset, earphone, Jabra link, headset, microphone, Jabra link. I have it. And so that's how this conferencing application right now is duplicated inside my C-Box. And it is recorded there. So we can double check that by going to the media station, administrator page, media I/O, then you go to audio. So one last step you need to do is to enable the input from the HDMI that you have connected your computer to on your media station. So in my case, I'm using LS860. My computer is connected to HDMI 1. All this time, I've been using USB audio in order to record this this video. So I'm now going to mute it here and instead enable HDMI, because on HDMI I have this Jabra, on USB I have Rada Duo. And you can still hear me loud and clear. So, but this time, this audio is actually coming from inside Teams. So that's it. That's how you can record your conferencing audio inside the media station. You can still participate in the call. You will not hear yourself. And this will also work for the remote side. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at www.a-dana.com and we'll be happy to help you.